Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the file and a backup. Now act. Select the column or range with negative values and press Ctrl+C if you want a backup copy. Once selected, choose an empty helper column and enter equals ABS, A1 or equals if A10, A1 to convert negatives to positives. This preserves zeros and positives. Make sure to lock relative references only where needed. After confirming results on several rows, you'll be ready to replace originals with the corrected values. Once the helper formula is correct, drag or double-click the fill handle to propagate it through all rows. This instantly recalculates every cell. Next, copy the entire helper column, right-click the original column header, then choose Paste Special Values to overwrite with static positives. This removes formulas and preserves results. Make sure to check a few random rows to verify no unintended text or errors were introduced, and then delete the helper column if you prefer a single column layout. To finish, scan for any leftover negatives using Data Filter or Home Find Type and correct individually. If you find numbers stored as text, use value or text to columns to coerce them to numbers before converting. If totals or pivot reports look wrong, undo and restore from your backup, then repeat with sample rows verified. One key troubleshooting tip: if values don't convert, check for leading apostrophes or spaces. Clean those first using trim or value, then rerun the ABS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.